Welcome to Ray Creators Lab. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create stunning videos with Rendernet. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. Also, support us by liking and sharing this video. Rendernet just launched the Video Anyone feature. To create your videos, follow these steps. 1. Visit Rendernet's website. 2. Register for free. 3. Upload an image or choose a template from Rendernet. 4. For more tips, just click View Guide. Now, let's see what the results look like. So, you can see that was super simple. Thank you for watching. Please, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Turn on your notification for more content.